Why would you say this case is important and unusual?
So I think what's interesting about this case is it kind of reveals the issues and some of the problems that can arise from DNA evidence. Because I think if you look at it in a vacuum and if you talk to everyday folks in a vacuum, they think that DNA evidence is foolproof and that, hey, if his DNA got on the gun or if his DNA is on an object, it means they touched, they handled, or otherwise, kind of owned the object or owned the gun. And that's not the case. And I think this case is unique because obviously there was DNA evidence. And just because someone touched or came into contact with an object doesn't mean necessarily that they possessed it as defined by the law. And I think that's important for everyone to understand kind of what DNA evidence is, what it proves, and what it doesn't prove. And I think that was very important. It's something that from the beginning, I struggled to wrap my own head around, and something that I really wanted to make sure when I was explaining it to the jury and discussing it with the jury that they understood kind of what it meant and what it didn't mean.